Good afternoon, everyone. It is such a pleasure being here, and thank you, Jacqueline, for inviting me and giving me this opportunity. I was brought up in Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad, and through my work as an actor, I've had the opportunity to interact with many organizations that are doing wonderful work in rural India. And one of the big primary objectives of what we're doing is to be able to provide safe, potable water to communities. And I think what is really reassuring for all of us here, and I consider myself a local, is that so many of you have collectively come together to make this possible for this tiny little village here. And I know you will continue to make a difference from all those miles away. Your generosity, your thought, your faith that this organization and the aim that it has in providing water to people and the benefits of it is truly marvelous. So I want to thank all of you seated here for coming all the way and making this possible for us. Thank you. You know, when I met Jacqueline, and I'm pretty sure very many of us are here today because we love her enthusiasm and we love her love for life, and the fact that she's constantly seeking meaning in every opportunity and providing people with, you know, an opportunity to bring meaning into their lives. And I think what Jaldhara's purpose is a wonderful one, and I think all of us here are here to support it. And I want to tell you, Jacqueline, that whenever you need us, we will always be available to help you. And these are measures that will most certainly form a part of very significant change that is coming about in India and in parts of the world that have been deprived of what we consider the most basic human need, which is potable, good drinking water. And I think we've been very clever in empowering women to take this initiative forward, because we've recognized through some of the other initiatives that we've done in the past that women do not abscond. They don't run away. They hold fort. They take great pride in what they're doing. And despite the domesticity and the responsibilities that comes with their domesticity, taking care of their families and their children, they still take great pride and honor in carrying forward and taking care of the job that has been allocated to them. So I know all the women here, including yourself. నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడతా తర్వాత చెప్తా ఏం చెప్పాను. I'm just telling her, I'm going to tell her later what I said here. But the women will definitely make this a sustainable program. If there is one thing that we will know beyond doubt, that this is a program that will continue and do everything we hope it will do, is because we've identified women and we've empowered them with this initiative. So, smart move. I'll wrap this up with saying that I think as actors, we have a wonderful opportunity to reach out to people and to make a small difference in whatever way we can. And I think we're blessed with this opportunity. And we're really grateful that Jacqueline has given, I'm speaking on behalf of all of us, the opportunity to be here and speak a few words and just offer our support. Thank you, Jacqueline. And all the best, Jaldhara. I know you're going to do fantastic work. Thank you, Water Health. And thank you, each one of you seated here today. Thank you for being here.